Good afternoon, everyone. Crystal here with It's a Journaling Thing and Journaling Adventures, Paper, Scissors, Glue, and You. You can find our group on Facebook. We'd love to have you join us. I wanted to hop on real quick and do a flip through of this recipe junk journal that I made for my mom. I gave it to her as a Christmas gift because hers was burned up in the fire, the house fire that we had the beginning of August of 2024. So there's not any recipes in it yet. I just made it and made space for her to have plenty of room to write all of her recipes in. So I wanted to share it with you all. I actually used 2 old cookbooks to make this. The cover is an old cookbook, and then I've got some pages in here that came out of an old cookbook. And then I just printed some stuff and ordered some things and all that, and just tried to get it situated for her to get her recipes going in there. So I'll do a flip through real quick and let y'all take a look at it. So I did the ring binding, so we'd be able to add more pages in if need be. So we got a pocket here, and then I made her this writing card. If you all don't know what a writing card is, it's so, with their junk journals, they can get all bulky and hard to write in and everything. So you take this and you just put it under your page, and it gives you a good spot, a good hard spot to be able to write on. So these pages here, this one was out of an old cookbook. Then I've got these, they're stickers, and throughout the book there's these tabs here where she'll be able to write what she wants to on there. And so this one right here is a page out of a cookbook, and then all these are, just to add some interest to it and everything, and it is all cooking and everything, so I figured it would seem fitting for this because I wasn't going to be using the other cookbook, that they came out of. So here is one of the dividers. And then there's these pages here where she can write, the title and how many servings and favorite recipe from and ingredients, method, and notes. And so I ordered these and just put these in there. And then this right here is just a print that I got. And this info here. And then all the things through here, I just fussy cut them. Some of the things, I just cut them out and put them in here. And then I left some pages blank for her to be able to write the recipes on. Like these things right here, I just printed those out and fussy cut them out. And here is these right here, to write recipes down and everything. So, plenty of room for her to write. And then I put these old recipe cards in here for her to add some stuff on too. Kipper's in here. He's tippy-toeing around. And some coffee dyed paper in here. And then here's some more recipe cards. More coffee dyed paper. And then here's some more of these pages. I just put those, all throughout. She can move them around and put them where she'd like to. And this right here was a page out of the old cookbook. More recipe cards in there. I did the ring binding too, so the book would lay flat like this also. I figured it would be easier to use for cooking out of and for writing in and all that sort of stuff. I glued a rolling pin on that edge of the page. Then on this edge of the page, there's a wooden spoon. And then I just added a couple of these type cards in here in case you wanted to use those. Some more dyed paper there. Some more of these. And this one was a page out of the old cookbook. Just cut these out and added those on there. She's definitely going to have plenty of room to write all her stuff. And then here is an envelope that I put in here, and it's got these recipe cards in there. This one was a page out of the cookbook. And there's one of them cards. And then I just, these are just little tags where maybe she could write notes and stuff, you know, on the back of them or whatever she'd want to do with those. And then here's some more recipe cards. Plenty of room to write. This one was out of the old cookbook. And here's some more with a pocket with a couple recipe cards in there. And here's a little tag. All kitchen themed, cooking themed. Some more coffee dyed paper. Some stained paper. And I told her I would help her organize it the way she wants it and put pages in, take pages out, and all that sort of stuff. And then here's these. And then here's this, another divider. And here's a pocket in the back with some more of these recipe cards. And so that's it. Like I said, the cover and the back was an old recipe book, and it was basically falling apart. I actually got it at a church sale, and so I decided I would use the cover off of it since it says Joy of Cooking on there. Then I embossed Mom's recipes on there, and then these pretty little gold flowers on there, and then the little gold butterfly on the bottom. I embossed those on there. And then this right here is like some fabric ribbon, and I used it to cover up the rough edge on there. So that is it of the flip through of my Mom's Recipe Junk Journal. I hope y'all like it, and I hope y'all get some ideas out of it. I think she did end up really liking it a whole lot. She's told me 2 or 3 times how much she likes it, and I just, you know, love that. You know, since hers was damaged and, you know, all that. So we've kind of been working on gathering recipes that she had, trying to replace them and that sort of stuff and everything. So, but I hope y'all have a good evening, and stay safe if you're expecting winter weather coming again. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all.